How's it going? James, Online Car Show. Got a really cool video for y'all today on a intake cover for the Camaro. This one's got kind of a story behind it. So without hesitation, let's go ahead and get this video started. Well, I guess I'll start off the video by telling y'all the story behind the intake cover. This intake cover here, as you can see, was originally owned by SixGun Sled on YouTube. Very cool. Those aren't familiar with his channel, he's building a 1,000 horsepower Camaro with the full internal build. You need to go check out his channel. And also the second signature is from my good buddy on Instagram, is a 1LE, and I'll put a link to him as well. So this went through two owners, which is really cool, and one of them was another YouTuber like me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my signature on here, but I'll show you a real quick shot of this intake cover. Beautiful. It's HydroDipped, I think they call it, with the skulls. Very beautiful work. Not a single mark on it, and I'm the third owner of it. It's been well taken care of. Very cool. Anyway, so I'll put my signature on this and we'll get her installed on the car. Had to put a towel down first, of course, want to protect it. So we'll flip her over here. And I guess I'll put my signature, since it was going from top or bottom to top, I'll put mine right above is a 1LE. I'm gonna sign it James Online, the marker will work, Car Show. So it's been fully signed. If there is another owner for this intake cover, they'll have to sign it as well. And I'll try to give it away to another YouTuber if I ever replace the intake cover. And what this is really gonna do, and this is why is a 1LE reached out to me on Instagram, is I've got my autographed cover, as y'all know, already on the car, and the chief engineer for the Camaro and the F-Body Godfather had signed it. So to protect it, and I can hang it on the wall or something, I can put this on the car and it's absolutely gorgeous. So this is really gonna work. And thank you so much again, is a 1LE. I tried to offer him cash, but he wouldn't take it. So shout out to him. He's got a badass car. He ran 11.9s with this on, with just E85 tune and drag radials. So the guy knows how to run. Y'all, if you're on Instagram, go check him out. Is a 1LE, and I'll put a link, of course. Let's get this on the car now that I've got it signed, and go from there. All right, well, as you can see, my old intake here, old intake cover, I should say, with the Scott Settlemeyer, Al Oppenheiser signatures. We're gonna be taking that off. It's really simple. I'm not gonna really show y'all too much as far as doing this. We're simply gonna pop the fuel rail covers off, pulling up, and then there's gonna be four 10 millimeter bolts at each corner. We're gonna take those up. So let's go ahead and do it. All right, we got the fuel rail covers off. One last important thing I failed to mention here, there is an electrical connection here. You're gonna wanna unplug that. Just make sure you plug it back in afterward, or you will throw an engine coat. And I did end up having to take off the strut tower brace. Joy of car mods, huh? Well, got her all back together, and oh my gosh, is it looking freaking good. Wow. It just offsets that red strut bar so well. Got the strut bar all torqued down, and I'll give you all some footage here on the car. Well, I hope y'all liked the video. If you did, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe button below. And Also, we've got, coming up this week, we've got 2 exciting videos. I've got the Houston Head Turners Cruise to Galveston 2.0 with roller shots and all that. It was a badass time. Shout out to them. I'm wearing the Houston Head Turner shirt. And also, I've won a cool contest from Fresh Motor Company where I got a year's supply of air fresheners for Nadia. So I'm really excited to get that package, and we'll do an unboxing and all that video of that. Y'all have a wonderful week, and thank y'all for watching.